Did you know people look at their phones like 100 times a day?
Wait, what? 100? No, no way.
Yes, literally. And most of the time, they just want to see text messages.
Just text messages? Not like videos?
No, mostly texts. It is the number one thing we do.
Wow, that is crazy.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Welcome to English Pod Center. I am Luna.
And I am Lucas. We completely forgot to start.
I know. I was too excited about phones.
So, okay, text messages.
Yes. Today we are talking about simple text messages.
Simple? But texts are already simple. You just, type.
No, Lucas, they are not always simple.
Wait, I don't get it. You just say hi. How is that hard?
Because, okay, think about this. Have you ever sent a bad text?
A bad text? What do you mean?
Like a text that makes someone gets angry at you.
Oh, yes, my mom.
Your mom? What happened?
I sent her a message. I just said okay with a dot. A period.
Oh, no. The angry period.
Yes, she called me. She was like, Lucas, why are you so mad at me?
Exactly. See? That is the big problem.
But I just wanted to say yes, I was not mad.
I know, but texts have feelings.
Wait, texts have feelings. Words on a phone?
Yes. Well, not the words, but how you write the words.
This is too confusing.
Okay, let me explain. Think of a text like cooking.
Cooking? Like food?
Yes, a simple text is like making a sandwich.
A sandwich? You are crazy, Luna.
No, listen. If you just give someone dry bread.
Okay, dry bread is bad.
Right. Dry bread is like sending okay with a dot.
Oh, I get it. It is boring and a little sad.
Exactly. But if you put meat and cheese in it.
And sauce. I love sauce.
Yes, sauce. That makes it a good sandwich, a happy sandwich.
So how do I put sauce in my text message?
You use emojis or, exclamation marks.
Emojis, like the little smiley face?
Yes. Okay with a smiley face is a nice sandwich with sauce.
Wow. Now I am hungry.
Focus, Lucas. We have to teach English.
Sorry. Okay, I am focused. No more food.
Good. So, writing a good simple text is very important.
Because we do not want people to be angry.
Right. You text your friends, your family.
Yeah, I text my friends all the time.
And sometimes you have to text your boss.
Your boss? Oh man, that is scary.
Very scary. If you send a bad text to your boss,
you lose your job.
Well, maybe not lose your job, but it is really bad.
They think you are rude. I do not want to be rude.
No one wants to be rude.
So, what is the first rule for a good text?
The first rule, keep it short.
Short? Like one word?
No, Lucas, not one word.
But you said short, like the letter K is short.
Never, ever send just K to your boss.
Wait, really? Why? I text K all the time.
Because it looks angry.
Angry? It is just the letter K. It means okay.
I know, but think about it. It is like throwing a rock at someone's head.
Throwing a rock? That is so bad.
Yes, a tiny rock. It says, I do not care. Stop talking.
Oh, wow. Okay, so no K to the boss.
No K. Just say, okay, thank you, or got it.
Got it. I like that. It is short, but nice.
Exactly. Nice. You always have to be nice at work.
Okay, so short and nice. What if I'm late for work?
Oh, good question. If you are late, you really need to text.
Right. So I text late, just the word late.
Lucas, no. We just talked about this.
I am joking.
Okay, good. Because late is just like the letter K, too short.
Right. So what is a good text for being late?
Well, you need 3 things in that text.
3 things? For one small message?
Yes. First, say what the problem is.
Like, I am late.
Close. Say how late, like, I will be 10 minutes late.
Oh, okay, give a time. 10 minutes.
Yes. Then part 2, say you're sorry.
Sorry.
Yes, or I am sorry. Very simple.
So, I will be 10 minutes late. I'm sorry.
Perfect. And part 3, wait.
Did you forget part 3, Luna?
I forgot part 3. Oh, wait, I know. Tell them what you are doing now.
Like I am eating breakfast?
No, do not tell your boss you are eating.
But I love my breakfast.
Tell them you are coming. Say, I am on my way.
Ah, I am on my way. That sounds really professional.
Yes, put it all together now, Lucas.
Okay, I will be 10 minutes late. I am sorry. I am on my way.
Yes, beautiful. Your boss will not be angry with that.
They will just be maybe a little sad?
A little sad is much better than angry.
True. So we have keep it short but not one word,
Right,
and tell them everything they need to know quickly.
exactly. It is like making a small sandwich.
A sandwich? What? You are making me hungry, Luna.
Think about it. The first bread is I am late.
Okay, and the meat?
The meat is I am sorry.
And the cheese?
The cheese is I am on my way.
I really want to eat this text message right now.
Just do not text your boss about the cheese, okay?
Okay. No cheese texts. So what about friends? Are friends different?
Oh, friends are very different. You do not need a sandwich for friends.
No sandwich for friends?
No, for friends, you can just say, almost anything.
Okay, I'm texting UK all day tomorrow, Luma.
Please don't text me, Kay Lucas. I'll block you.
Wait, why? K is so fast. It's like just okay, but shorter.
Yeah, it's short. Too short. Kay feels very angry.
Angry? Really?
Yes. If you just write K with a period, it's like you're mad at me.
Oh, wow. I didn't know that. I use K all the time.
Uh-oh. People probably think you're very mad, Lucas.
That explains so much. My mom never texts me back.
Poor mom. So what should you do instead?
Okay, with the smiley face?
Exactly. Okay is good. Or got it.
Got it. I like that. It sounds, smart.
It does. Let's play it. Wait, let's do a quick game. I'll give you a bad text.
Ooh, a game. I love games.
I know you do. Okay, bad text. Where are you? No question mark, just a period.
Oh, that sounds scary. Like my dad is looking for me.
Right, it's very cold. How do you make it better for a friend?
Maybe, hey, where are you? With a question mark.
Yes, or where are you at? Or almost here?
Almost here? That's so short and nice. Very nice. It's all about, it's the feeling. Texting isn't just words. It's feeling. Wait, what about emojis?
Emojis are the best. They're like, face paint for your words.
Face paint. I love that.
Think about it. I'm fine with a smiling emoji.
Means you're happy.
Yes, but I'm fine with a crying emoji.
Means you need a hug or ice cream.
Always ice cream. But I'm fine with no emoji.
Uh-oh, danger. Run away.
Exactly, Lucas. Danger.
So emojis change the whole message.
They really do, but don't use too many.
Like 5 smileys?
5 is okay, but 20? No.
I sent 20 pizzas to my friend once.
20 pizza emojis?
Yes, because I was very hungry.
That's funny, but maybe just use words next time.
Words are hard, Luna. Emojis are easy.
I know, but we're learning English. We need words.
Okay, true. More words. Give me another game.
All right, here's a problem. Your friend invites you to dinner.
Oh, I love dinner. What are we eating?
We're eating tacos.
Yes, tacos. Okay, what's the problem?
You can't go. You're, sick. How do you text them?
Easy. No, I am sick.
Lucas, no, that's too mean.
Mean? But it's true. I'm sick.
Yes, but you have to be nice. Remember the sandwich?
Wait, I thought sandwiches were for the boss.
You can use a mini sandwich for friends.
A mini sandwich. A slider.
Yes, a slider. Start with something nice.
Tacos sound great.
Good. Now the bad news.
But I'm sick today.
Perfect. And finish it?
Have fun without me. Lots of emojis.
Exactly. That is a perfect slider text, Lucas.
See, I'm a good texter now.
You really are. So much better than just saying no.
No it's just so mean.
Yeah, it's too cold.
Like a robot. Beep boop, no tacos for me.
Right. Okay, so we learned the boss text
The big sandwich.
and the friend text, the slider.
Yes, I love the slider.
So now it's time for some practice.
Oh no, a test?
A very fast test. Don't worry.
Okay, I am ready, Luna. Tell me.
Okay, we are going to a movie.
Nice. I love movies. What movie?
Batman. But listen, you are late.
Oh no, traffic.
Yes, bad traffic. Text me. Use the slider.
Okay, Batman is awesome.
Good start.
But my car is slow.
Okay, a little weird, but okay.
Wait, let me try again. I am so excited for the movie.
Yes, much better.
But there is a lot of traffic. I am 10 minutes late.
Perfect bad news. Very clear.
And the finish. Buy me popcorn, please.
You always want food.
Well, it's a movie. You need popcorn.
It is a good text. Friendly and simple.
Excited for the movie. Traffic is bad. 10 minutes late. Buy popcorn.
See? Not scary at all.
It took me. Wait, no, it was so easy.
Yeah. So for everyone listening,
Try it. Try the slider text.
yes, try it today.
Think of a text you need to send.
A text you are scared to send.
Like telling your mom you broke a cup.
Exactly. Send her a slider text.
Mom, you are the best. I broke your cup. Have a good day.
No, Lucas, she will still be mad about that.
Oh, right. Good point.
But seriously, guys, what is a hard text for you?
Yeah, tell us. What text do you hate sending?
Write it down, practice making it a sandwich.
Or a slider,
Or a slider. Keep it simple. Short sentences.
like we did today.
Exactly. Well, that is all the time we have.
Aw, already? Time goes so fast.
It really does.
If you guys liked this, if you learned something,
Please subscribe. Follow us here on English Pod Center.
yeah, English Pod Center is the best.
Leave a comment below.
Tell us your best sandwich text.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
See you next time. Bye.